I know, finally. But we're here today to do it. We will be unboxing something from Prada. And there's a little surprise Maje haul as well too. I have like 3 items which I was like, they don't really deserve their own video, but I can pop them in this video. This is actually more of a reveal rather than an unboxing because I've been using this item for the past month. But at least I can give you a mini review at the same time. Bam! It is from Louisa Via Roma, the Prada item. And if you watched my previous vlog video, you would have heard the whole kerfluffle I had with this. I originally bought it from Essence. It was cheaper on Louisa Via Roma, so I had to return the Essence thing, which they haven't credited my account yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. Love this site now. It's amazing. I still love Essence at the end of the day, but they are probably both in my top 3 for designer websites. Okay. Hands off. I don't know what the mailman ate for breakfast that morning, but... Oh my god. Oh, wait. Address? Nope. Like, do you see this presentation? I love how they did this like little Louisa Via Roma ribbon. It just makes it a little more extra special. Yeah, it's so pretty. I did that up myself again, so I'm a little bit phony, but alright. This box is really cute. Like, I like their new packaging. So, and when we open the box, we see dust bags. If you didn't know, if you get 2 dust bags, it's probably because there's something to go on your feet. You have the tissue paper, which I did a horrible job at rewrapping, but it's okay. These shoes, I'm gonna say it now, are not gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but it's okay. If you like them, kudos to you. Like, we're on the same wavelength and you understand me. But yeah, I think they're really nice. And Prada combat boots. Now I'm speechless. My vision for these was to pretty much have a boot for cold weather that I can just stomp around in, like on salt, on snow. I know somebody now is thinking, why the heck would you spend so much money to do that in? When you live in such a cold climate, like, your outerwear needs to be so good looking, in my opinion. That's the basis of your entire outfit. That's what everyone's seeing. That's what you're seeing all the time. And I was never a fan of Doc Martens, but these are kind of like the bougie version of Doc Martens, so I was here for it and I was like, let's do it. But also with like skirts and dresses, again, to give me that like juxtaposition that I love to have. They're like so cute and like simple and all black. So let me describe them. Pretty much they're just like an all black combat boot. I like the fact that it was pretty much triple black everything, just no white or no, like, I like that the zipper is gunmetal, so it's just all dark. Only thing that pops out at you is that their like new signature blue kind of like printed logo on the tongue, and then it also has it on the back here. It says Prada slightly on the back of the heel as well too, engraved. And I really like this cool, it's like a harness strap. Oh, and by the way, the harness, like, it has this like Velcro thing, which you can, it seems like you can unstrap it, but it's stitched in here. Review time, a thick rugged leather that can like take a beating. Obviously not a full-on beating because it is a smooth leather. I think at one point I was like sitting near a desk or whatever and it had a sharp edge and it kind of scratched like the leather. It's really unnoticeable. Probably like my biggest love for this thing is like the overall look, but the sole. Like, this sole is so chunky and thick and like not cheap. It appears to be very stiff, but it breaks in really nicely. I feel like at one point, like, I was wearing them kind of slouchy, so I had this like buckle like loosened up a bit. I had like the laces kind of untied. I was also wearing it like zipped down, so a little bit more slouchy and like not so done up. And then they were breaking it in a way that was like hurting my toe, so I'm like, you know what, I still need to break these in. Let's zip them up all the way and wear them properly until the leather is broken in based on the way my foot moves and the way it's shaped and everything. So they broke in super nicely without too much like noticeable creases. Yeah, the leather is like thick and like sturdy, but still pliable at the same time. I'm not gonna lie, they are a heavy boot, but for a boot, honestly, like they're doable. Like at first it felt like some ankle weights because I was used to wearing like slides and like sandals from like the summertime. But honestly, it's not anything now that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm wearing my Pradas today. But like if it's a super lazy day, then like I might not wear them. But they're not unbearable at all, at all, at all. Little neoprene patch. I never thought of it until now, but it does help like with comfortability. Like you wouldn't want the leather kind of like up here on your ankle, smushing into it or scratching it. Zipper is really good. I haven't had any problems. 9.5. 9.5. Like I was super nervous with spending this amount of money on a pair of shoes. I think this is the most amount I've spent on shoes, but it was well worth it and I would do it again. I shouldn't need to though, because like I've been eyeing up something like this for a while now. These boots were originally retailing for 1,200 Canadian. 1,200 Canadian, I believe. Which in the grand scheme of boot like world, designer boot shoes, like wasn't that bad because there was a lot of like Givenchy or Valentino. Yeah, there was a lot of Valentino ones as well too, and they were like $2,000, like pushing. So these ones were honestly such a good price. I think these are amazing, and if I can still find them, I will link them down below because they're just, I thought I would slightly show how I would style them. I picked up 3 things from Maje, and I thought I'd show you because they actually correlate with the shoes. Plaid pleated skirt. Main reason why I wanted those boots was to wear them with dresses and skirts, and something like this is really sick to wear this with. So for a winter outfit, you'll just like throw on some leggings underneath the skirt, throw on like the shoes, and then I'll show you the other items as well too. And it also has like a slight asymmetrical hem that like dips sideways. It's really hard to explain, but I just love the neutral colors of it. The only complaint I have is this like elastic band. Like, what am I, a child? Like, I don't know. I don't really need an elastic stretchy band like this. Unless like, I don't know, you're gonna go eat at the buffet. Graphic tee. Whoa, okay, alright. I'm on the graphic tee train right now. I will have a haul coming up where I feature a bunch of them. And I just love it. I love the warm colors. It says Paris by night. And it's my dream to go to Paris. I really, really want to go there next. Tucked in to this. It is such a look, and with those boots, oh, chunky, oversized, almost like grandparent knit cardigans. This one here is printed and it says Dream Tomorrow, I believe, all over it. I don't know what, like, they have this slogan on a lot of their stuff. I don't know, like, where that came from. But anywho, this thing, the original price is insane. Like, it's so wild. $605. Like, this is Maje. Like knitwear. They have more expensive things like their jackets and their coats and stuff, like especially for shirling, but like as a knitwear piece, I'm not gonna lie, like this is really like heavy and like the knit is like really thick, and I guess it is technically like it has the words knitted into it as well too, but this is just so cozy. I love that kind of collegiate look, and even on top of like this, even though it kind of like is mismatched and doesn't really match, it's kind of cool. It's kind of like I don't match, and like it's just, I love it. Sometimes I have no words to describe something. You just have to go off my facial expressions. This look is also a uniform for me right now, like pleated skirts and graphic tees like tucked in. It's just something I'm so here for. And yeah, I just have to say, these boots are fantabulous if you're looking to pick up a pair. Everybody needs like at least that one kind of chunky, masculine kind of like style boot. And if you're not a fan of Doc Martens like myself, then maybe try and zhuzh yourself up with a designer pair. But I will also link some other designer pairs that I also had my eye on, that I was looking into, but I ended up purchasing these. But the other ones are like just as beautiful too, and so many sales are going on for boots at the moment. So yeah, check them out. I'll link them for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click my face to subscribe if you'd like to see more of me and hear me talk about luxury and contemporary stuff, because that's what we do here. And don't forget to follow me on these socials and click the bell so you know when I post videos. And I will see you in my next one. I love you guys so much, and take care.